In today's video, I will walk you through how to accept credit card payments in Square. First, head over to www.squareup.com and choose the option that says Get Started. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose the location where your business is currently based. After that, continue and sign into your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will be asked to customize your homepage. Select what your business primarily sells. You can choose categories like food, retail goods, sports, home repair, professional services, or another option. After selecting the category, enter a little more information about your business and continue until you reach the main dashboard. If you want to accept payments in person, you can set up a Square card reader. You can also download the Square POS application to connect your card reader and enter payment information from there. Inside the dashboard, go to the Setup Guide at the top of the page and complete the account approval process. Click on the option to finish getting approved to accept payments. From there, select your country and add the required business and identity information. Once the verification is completed, return to the dashboard. To start receiving payments online, hover over to Take a Payment button inside your dashboard and click on it and choose the option to send a payment link. Next, choose the purpose of the payment link. You can select options like taking a payment, selling an item, selling an event or class, or accepting a donation. For this example, select selling an item and continue. Now you can customize the payment page. Create your first item by entering the item name, the price, and a description if you want. You can also upload an image for the item. Below that, you can add custom fields if needed. Enter the custom field title and decide whether the field should be required during checkout. You can continue adding the information you want customers to complete before making a payment. If you want to accept tips, enable the tipping option. You can also choose what happens after checkout, including redirecting customers to a website after the payment is completed. Once everything is ready, review the checkout preview. You will be able to see the order summary, contact information section, payment section, and the final confirmation screen customers will receive after paying. After reviewing the details, create and save the payment link. Once the link is generated, you can start receiving payments through Square. Thank you for watching.